Beautiful people, we are back with another install wig tutorial. Today we will be working with Westkiss hair. It comes in this beautiful package right here. I've already opened it because you guys know I'm impatient. And I'm going to be installing this fresh out of the box. So this is the first wig that I've ever worked with that looks like this. It already has curls in it, girl. And they say that it comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached. I'm going to try to show you guys that. So there's no need for me to bleach it, and it's already styled. Already has a little side part going, so we're going to try to install this fresh out of the box. So let's go. Okay, so this is after I've cut my ear tabs and just kind of put the wig on. It's not glued down or anything. I'm going to glue it down in a second. This is a 16-inch. I actually kind of wanted something a little bit shorter for the summertime, and I'm going to finger out these curls because I like loose curls. So yeah, but this is it so far, and then we're going to go ahead and work on installing it. I'm going to be using a little bit of my Ebin lace spray because it's just easier for me, especially when I have to transition through wigs so quickly. It's just super easy. So let's go. Okay, so immediate thoughts. I'm just gonna let y'all know I am possibly going to fall in love with this because literally the curls are already there. I love curls, and the shape and style is already there, so it's super easy to just pop on and go. I was a little bit nervous that I was gonna have to work with it and stuff, but no, I think once I comb out the curls and stuff, it'll be amazing. I'm gonna go in and cut the lace. I do like the fact that I did not have to bleach or pluck or anything. It just came already done. I think this is the one, y'all. I think this is the one. I'm gonna take like just a little bit or a little razor. I'm going to take a little razor and cut off the extra lace. Some people do this at the end after it has been melted. I just prefer to do it this way. You can do it any way that you see fit. I try to cut like kind of semi close, but I also leave like a little bit of lace on the hair as well, because I feel like it just helps to blend better in my opinion. If you don't want to, you don't have to. I'm gonna go in with like some ebony and just make sure my edges are, you know, laid down. All right, then I'm taking a concealer that is just like a smidget, just like a little bit darker than me. And I'm going to apply this to the outer portion here. I don't know, to that extra lace that we can see. I'm just applying a little bit of foundation. Again, that's like just a little bit darker than myself. Just taking it all the way around. Okay, now I'm gonna take just a little bit of my Tresemme. Okay, before I let this sit down and melt, I'm gonna try to comb out my curls or just kind of style it the way that I want. Got some hairspray in there. Uh-oh. I'll probably flat iron the back. Taking a little bit of concealer and just defining my part a little bit. Probably should need to pluck it a little bit as well. Yeah, I need to go and flat iron it. Now we're gonna put our band on. They do send you a band in the box. It's just a melt band that you stick on. It has their, you know, their name, their logo on it. And I'm just going to allow this to melt. Alright guys, so here we are. This is the finished look. The wig is fully installed. What I absolutely love about this wig, before we even get into the texture of the wig and how it arrived or whatever, I absolutely love the fact that it came pre-bleached, pre-plugged, and it already had curls in it. What wig do you know is showing up that way? I don't know any. I've never received a wig like that. So the fact that it's just kind of like put it on and go is definitely a plus for me. The curls were super cute. Of course, I finger combed them out just to make them a little bit looser, but that's just my personal preference. I love the fact that it already came parted. All I did was just add like a little bit of concealer to it and call it a day. This wig is going to be one of those wigs that you get when you just gotta go. Like, you don't have time to bleach it, you don't have time to pluck it, especially if you're a beginner. Definitely a great wig for a beginner as well. If you're a beginner, you just don't know what to do, I would definitely suggest ordering this wig and just putting it on, you know, get up and go. There wasn't too much to do with it at all, and I love the fact that it came with curls, because normally it takes me a good 30-40 minutes to curl my hair the way that I want it to. So the fact that it already had it in there, it just cut the time in half. I would probably say to install this wig, it took me all of maybe 10 minutes. Literally spray it down, cut it, and let's go. Definitely a 10 out of 10. I definitely would recommend it. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.